Hello, today I'm in Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to select PTY function for radio. In the beginning, let's take a look at the radio panel. Press the PTY button and select using this knob right here. You can select between no PTY, news, affairs, info, sports, educate, drama, culture, science, varied, pop, rock, easy, light, classics, other, weather, finance, children, social, religion, phone in, travel, leisure, jazz, country, nation, oldies, folk, document, and back to news. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.